So go ahead and move into a comfortable position. We're going to be here for about 15 minutes. And you can be sitting, but you don't want to be anywhere that's going to be fidgety. So if laying down feels better for you, lay down, maybe a bolster underneath the knees, a pillow underneath the head, feeling fully supported. Gently closing the eyes and giving yourself permission to relax and let go. Let go of all the thought and all of worry and all of the tension. Inhale and exhale a sweet sigh. Once more, inhale and exhale with a sweet sigh. Bringing your breath into awareness, sensing the breath as it moves in and out. Noticing the coolness, the warmth of the air as it's moving in and out. Inhale through the nostrils and exhale through pursed lips as if sipping or exhaling through a straw. Doing that again, inhaling through the nostrils and exhaling through relaxed, pursed lips, emptying the lungs completely. We're going to begin to count back from 27. Inhale and exhale 27. Inhale and exhale 26. Counting each exhale. And starting again, if you notice that the number drifts away, begin again at number 27. And each exhale, let go just a bit more. As you let go of whatever the body no longer needs. With each exhale, letting go a layer of tension. And feel a sense of stillness extending everywhere in your mind, in your body. Feel yourself held in absolute stillness, in the cradle of the hold of the earth. And feel an area of heat and healing energy rippling out to every point I name. The space between the eyebrows, heat and healing energy rippling out. Pit of throat, heat and healing energy rippling out. Left shoulder, left elbow, wrist, tip of thumb, tip of index finger, tip of middle finger, tip of ring finger, tip of pinky, left wrist, elbow, shoulder, right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist, tip of the right thumb, tip of the index finger, tip of the middle finger, tip of the ring finger, tip of the pinky, wrist, elbow, shoulder, pit of throat, feeling heat and healing energy rippling out. Middle of chest, heat and healing energy. Left chest, middle of chest, right chest, solar plexus, navel, heat and healing energy rippling out. Lower abdomen, middle of your pubic bone, left hip, left knee, ankle, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, left ankle, knee, hip, middle of your pubic bone, right hip, right knee, ankle, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, ankle, knee, hip, middle of the pubic bone, heat and healing energy rippling out. Navel, heat and healing energy. Middle of the chest, heat and healing energy. All of the attention now rests at the spot between the eyebrows. Feel yourself resting in this vastness. Feel yourself resting in a place that you like to be, a place that feels calm and peaceful and loving. There are no concerns for the past, no concerns with the rightness of things, no concerns with the future. Perhaps this place is a beach, the gentle waves coming in, the warmth of the sun on the skin, the warmth of the sand beneath your feet. Or perhaps this place is the mountains, the crisp, fresh, cool mountain air, the canopies of the trees overhead, the rustling of the leaves beneath you. Trust whatever image arises in your awareness. Wherever you may be, choose a soft place to land. Maybe if it's at the beach, it is a soft place in the sand. Maybe it's in a field of grass or leaves. Surrendering the weight of the body, feeling supported with no effort. Breathing in the sight, sounds, the smell of this place. Feel through your bodily sensations that it's safe to be here, resting here. A felt sense of peace, joy, love, calm, being held, grounded, a sense of balance. Allow the innate wisdom of the body to heal itself. I can experience feeling safe and secure. I can experience feeling safe and secure. Bring the breath back into awareness. Noticing the breath is a vibration in this stillness, a pulsing in the stillness. Begin to become aware of the body, of the sensations, of the pulsing. Feel yourself rising to the surface of awareness. Feel yourself resting on the floor. Notice the quality of the air on the skin, the coolness, the warmth. Sense the earth rising up to support you. You are supported, anchored, at ease. Bring attention back to your breath. Move the body as if awakening, perhaps beginning to wiggle the fingers, the toes, moving the head from side to side, licking the lips, perhaps stretching the arms overhead, stretching through the fingertips, the tips of the toes. And slowly coming over onto your side. Pushing yourself up to a seated position. Beginning to notice any of the shifts that have happened. Taking 2 minutes here to notice how the body feels, how the mind feels, how the body has shifted, how the mind has shifted. Perhaps has the nervous system has shifted. Gently opening up the eyes, taking in the room and the light.